Good afternoon, everybody. Today's mini lecture is on distance, displacement, average speed, and average velocity. When you look at this cart, if you consider the left as your starting point, and as you move this, let's say we move this 100 centimeters to the right, you would have a distance of 100 centimeters. The displacement from the zero would also be 100 centimeters with a direction up to the right. The distance is just a plain 100 centimeters. Now if we bring this cart to the right by 100 centimeters and go back 40 centimeters, the distance traveled is 140 centimeters. However, the displacement, if you consider your starting position at the left of zero, and your final position over here will now only be 60, so your displacement would be 60 minus 0. It would be at 60 centimeters to the right for your displacement. If you look at the average speed, it's the distance divided by the time. Let's say that when you travel this distance, it took you 5 seconds, and this distance back, it took you 2 seconds. So you would have 140 centimeters divided by 7 seconds for your average speed. And you could do that calculation. 140 centimeters divided by 7 seconds is 20 centimeters per second. However, if you look at this motion, say it's 5 seconds, 2 seconds, well, you have a total time of 7 seconds. But now your displacement is just 60 centimeters to the right. So your average velocity would be 60 divided by 7, 67 centimeters per second average velocity to the right. So you notice, numerically speaking, it is smaller than the average speed. So you can see, in general, if you look at the absolute value of your displacement, it is less than or equal to your distance. The absolute value of your average velocity will be less than or equal to your average speed. The only time those would be equal is if your motion is a straight line, and if it stops here, and then your distance and displacement are the same value in terms of magnitude, your average speed and average velocity would also have the same value. Otherwise, in general, they are not equal.